Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Evoque R-Dynamic SE, which is a D180 in Eiger Grey. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in May 2023. You have 21-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space in the boot, however you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. Going into the front, you have R-Dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous ebony leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof which allows a lot more light in the car and is also really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Heated front seats, definitely a luxury, especially in winter. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You also have smart settings, which allows you to personalise the car. You also have controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which are all really helpful for long journeys or the motorway. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the vehicle. And this car's only done 821 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Evoque. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.